How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on Samsung. So if you want to change it back to default, then this is what you do. You want to open up your settings and then come down and find the apps section, and then from in here you need to choose your UI. So I'm using the default Samsung called One UI. But if you were using the Nova launcher, then you would select that one. So open that up and then come down and find the storage, and then in the bottom left you'll see you have the option to clear the data. That's what we're going to do. So delete it, and then we'll open up the home screen again, and as you can see it's back to default. So that's how to reset home screen layout on Samsung. Thank you for watching.